Is your Verizon router flashing a white light, and you're wondering what it means? Don't worry. In many cases, the white light is related to the router starting up or establishing a connection. Let's go through some simple steps to troubleshoot the problem. Step 1. Wait a few minutes. If you just turned on or restarted your router, give it a few minutes to complete the startup process. Avoid unplugging the router repeatedly while it is starting up. Step 2. Check the cables. Make sure the router's power cable is securely connected. Also check the network or Ethernet connections and make sure they are firmly plugged in. Step 3. Check your internet. Connect your phone or computer to your Verizon Wi-Fi. Try opening a website. If the internet is working, the flashing white light may simply be part of the router's normal startup or connection process. Step 4. Restart the router. If you still don't have internet access, unplug the router from power. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Give the router several minutes to restart and reconnect. Step 5. Check for an outage. If the white light keeps flashing and your internet is not working, check Verizon service status for an outage or service interruption in your area. Step 6. Avoid a factory reset. Don't perform a factory reset unless necessary. A factory reset can remove your customized network settings and require you to set up the router again. Step 7. Contact Verizon. If you've checked the cables, restarted the router, and confirmed there is no service outage, but the white light continues flashing, contact Verizon support for further assistance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.